The dictation will be start in few seconds, so be ready for the dictation. Start. Petitioner in this writ petition is aggrieved of rejection of his candidature submitted by him for recruitment to Punjab Superior Judicial Service pursuant to notification dated 14/11/2023, Annexure P4 stop. There is a further prayer for quashing subclause 6.3 of clause 6 of notification dated 14/11/2023, whereby benefit of reservation has been confined to bona fide domiciles residents of the state of Punjab to the exclusion of Union Territory of Chandigarh stop para. It is submitted that petitioner being fully eligible for recruitment to the Punjab Superior Judicial Service, submitted his application pursuant to notification dated 14/11/2023 stop. Petitioner statedly belongs to Ramdasiya caste, which is recognized as a scheduled caste under Constitution. Scheduled caste (Order 1950 stop). Certificate in this respect was issued by competent authority of Chandigarh on 11/4/1997, Annexure P5 stop. Petitioner, it is submitted, applied in the category of scheduled caste stop. Copy of application is attached as Annexure P11 stop. The requisite fee for reserved category candidates was deposited stop. Petitioner's candidature was, however, rejected on 12/2/2024 on the ground which reads as under stop. Note submitted requisite fees being SC Chandigarh and mentioned in the application that not a domicile of Punjab stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that rejection of petitioner's candidature is absolutely illegal and arbitrary, as petitioner's father was issued a scheduled caste certificate by District Magistrate Jalandhar on 12/11/1962, Annexure P6 stop. Petitioner's uncle was issued the scheduled caste certificate from Chandigarh at the Chandigarh address of father of petitioner, who resided at the joint family property at SBS Nagar, Punjab stop. Petitioner's father obtained his schooling at Punjab and also cleared his matriculation examination from Phagwara in the year 1961 stop. It is only in the year 1964, when father of petitioner was appointed as clerk in PGIMER Chandigarh, that he started residing in Chandigarh along with his wife stop. Petitioner is stated to have purchased property at SAS Nagar, Mohali in the year 2018 stop. Petitioner's candidature, it is submitted, should be considered in the reserved category of Punjab itself, because Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and there is no separate recruitment in the judicial service cadre insofar as Chandigarh is concerned stop. Even in UT stop, Chandigarh Ramdasiya caste falls in the reserved category stop. It is thus prayed that this writ petition be allowed and petitioner be permitted to take the examination for recruitment to Punjab Superior Judicial Service under the reserved category stop. Learned counsel for the respondent number 1 (start on advance notice) has opposed this writ petition while submitting that in terms of clear-cut stipulations in the advertisement itself, benefit of reservation is admissible only to bona fide domicile residents of state of Punjab stop. It is further submitted that petitioner in his application form has stated his category to be of scheduled caste, and against the question at serial number 27 as to whether he is a bona fide domicile of Punjab, petitioner has written a categoric no stop. Petitioner could thus not have been considered or given the benefit of reservation as claimed stop. The stipulated fee which was required to be deposited being a domicile of Chandigarh stop and over.